Hi guys, this is Charity right again. And TRC ay inibintahan po para tumulong po tayo sa isang blind tao na si Nanay. At this is po yung place kung saan po. This is from Abukon, Tagum City. And this is love. This is all the writers help us to provide it here for us to help the beneficiary will be si Nanay. Ito po si Nanay. Si Nanay na hindi na po yan nakakakita. And that's all. Love with me. And TDRC are here to help you na para po may pasayos namin yung tulong namin sa inyo. May bigay po ng kaparapan. At pumunta po kami. That's all. And we are here. And we are help them. And that's all. And this is the Rights for Hope, Compassion Beyond the Sight. And this is po si Nanay and our donation to help her para kay Nanay. And this is us. And this is the love.